Curious about the profound mysteries of the Bible? Let's dive into Hebrews chapters 5 through 9, where ancient teachings resonate with deep significance for today.
First, we see Jesus portrayed as a high priest, but not just any priest. He's of a divine order, greater than that of mere human lineage.
In Hebrews 5, 7 through 10, we're told about Jesus learning obedience through suffering, portraying his humanity and divine calling. A key theme here is spiritual maturity. Hebrews 5:14 emphasizes discerning good from evil, pushing believers to grow beyond elementary teachings. Transitioning to chapter 6, believers are encouraged to leave foundational teachings and press on towards maturity. Hebrews 6:19 introduces hope as an anchor for the soul, a beautifully grounding metaphor. Despite human fallibility, God's promise stands unshaken, as unbreakable as an anchor in a stormy sea. In chapter 7, Hebrews delves into the mysterious figure of Melchizedek, a priestly king of ancient times who foreshadows Jesus' eternal priesthood. Hebrews 7:25 assures that Jesus' priesthood is unending, providing salvation for all who draw near. This chapter elevates an eternal intercession, a reassurance for believers. Chapter 8 introduces the idea of a new covenant, a pivotal shift from old to new. Hebrews 8:10 echoes the promise where God's laws are written directly on hearts, unveiling an intimate, personal relationship with the divine, transcending mere ritual.
Finally, chapter 9 explores the ceremonial contrast between the Old and New covenants. Hebrews 9-12 illustrates Jesus obtaining eternal redemption once and for all. This chapter is rich in symbolism, connecting ancient practices to spiritual truths. In summary, Hebrews 5-9 offers a rich tapestry of theological insight, urging a deeper understanding of faith, growth, and the enduring promise of divine connection. These chapters invite both reflection and motivation to embrace a profound hope, anchored in divine eternity.